Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Giulia. I'm Giulia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Giulia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. This little frog is ready to turn into a prince. Come on, let's go make them together. What you want to do first is download the pattern and print it out on heavy cardstock. Then you're going to cut out your pieces and lay them down on your felt. So I am using bright green felt. And here is my pattern all laid out. This is the body. That's the face and the body. I'm cutting 2. These are the arms and the legs. You're going to cut 8. So I have 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, and 2 here. Now, here is the crown. You're going to cut this out on yellow felt. Now, I did not use this pattern. I went on my Cricut and I cut it out with my Cricut. So you can do it one of 2 ways. If you have a Cricut, just go on, search for a crown and cut it out. That's the easiest way. Otherwise, just lay this down on some yellow felt and cut it out. And the same thing with the eyes. I cut out 2 1-inch circles with my Cricut because I got an exact circle. Otherwise, you could just put this on white felt and cut them out. Either way. Then for the heart, I am using red felt, and here is my heart. I'm cutting out 2 pieces in red felt. So I am going to sew all of my pieces. Now, when you sew, I have markings on each piece where you want to leave the opening so that we can turn it around and stuff it. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to sew my arms and legs. So you're going to leave this part open on each piece. So I'm going to sew them, turn the right side out, leave it open. I am not going to sew my body yet because we want to put our arms and legs in first before we sew, and we want to put the crown in first. But I'll show you when I get to that part how to do that. Okay, so let me sew my pieces. I'm going to sew just the arms and legs. Okay, so here are my arms and legs. So I stuffed it to this point here. You want to leave that with no stuffing because that's where we're going to attach it to the body. So now we're going to sew the body. Now I already attached my crown. I put it inside face down because when we turn it right side out, it's going to pop out and be on top. Now, I am going to leave, I'm going to sew all the way around. I'm going to leave this part open, these 2 parts open, and these 2 parts open. And then I'm going to be able to slide my legs and arms in there, and then I can sew it up after it's already sewn. Okay, so this is what your body should look like. So we have openings here and here. So now I am going to stuff it through this opening. I'm going to stuff the top. Then I'm going to add the arms in. So this is how we're going to add the arms. You are just going to put them right through that hole, like that. Okay, and then you're going to just glue it right there after this is stuffed. So you're going to put all the arms in and the legs after we stuff everything. Okay. So I'm using 2 black brads for the center of the eye. So I'm just going to put a little hole in there and put the brads through. Like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue that right on there. And that's the eyes. Okay. And now we're going to draw the mouth with a red marker. Now I want to get a good half circle, so I'm going to use a template, and I'm just going to draw with the marker. I'm going to draw half of the circle, and that's my smile. Okay, so he's almost done. Now we have to do the heart. Now here's my frog all done with the heart, and I'm adding some Velcro so that the heart stays on the hands. So I'm going to put a little glue on both sides. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!